Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Web on Sky. Today we will learn what is organization in GitHub. Organizations are shared accounts where businesses and open source projects can collaborate across many projects at once. Owners and administrators can manage members' access to the organization's data and projects with sophisticated security and administrative features. You can create more than one organization as per your need. Organizations includes unlimited membership with a variety of roles that grant different levels of access to the organization and its data. The ability to give members a range of access permissions to your organization's repositories, nested teams that reflect your company or organization structure with cascading access through permissions and mentions. The ability for organization owners to view members' two-factor authentication status. The option to require all organization members to use two-factor authentication. The ability to create and administer classrooms with GitHub Classroom. All organizations can own unlimited number of public and private repositories. You can use organizations for free with GitHub Free, which includes limited features on private repositories. So this is about organization in GitHub, and there are many other features. I will give a reference where you can see them in detail. And let us see how we can create organization in our account. To create an organization, you will need to click on your profile. Then you will see settings. Whether you can click on settings or you can directly go click on your organizations, and then it will open a page. Then you can click on new organization button. It will ask you many informations to fill the form and to create your organization. After filling all those details, you will get your organization created as per your filled information. Within the organization, we can create a team or more than one team we can create as per our need. What is a team? A team is something which is used to group our team members. That is very helpful to manage permissions and their access level onto our repositories. With the help of team, we can manage permissions in an organized way, and we don't need to give permission member wise. Instead, we can directly give permission to a team, and members inside the team will get access accordingly. How we can create a team? Let's see that. You will just need to click your organizations and click on particular organization, and you will see a tab of teams. Click on that tab and click new team, and you will need to enter some details about the team and click create. This way you can create your team. The other benefit of creating a team is you can create discussion by grouping with teams. You can create like this. Whenever you click on discussions, you can give a title of the discussion and then start your discussion. And here you can assign the visibility of the discussion. Whether you want to make it privately within your team or just for all organization members. So these are the things I wanted to show you today. But let me know if you have any confusion regarding organization or teams. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.